Hello. मला तुम्ही अटेंड का म्हणून बसले हॅलो सर जॉईन होणं चाहिए तुम्ही पण दिसत नाही ओके किती वेळ नाही हा तुम्ही पण जॉईन होता तुम्ही दोघं जॉईन झाला की मी फोन करते मग म्हणजे स्टार्ट करू मला तुम्ही अटेंड केलंय हेलो हेलो Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Sir, shall we start? Bhatia, sir? More, sir?
Hi, yes, no problem. Bhatia is there?
Yes. Bhatia, sir?
हाँ प्रफुल्ल. मी जॉईन झालो होते मग आधी नव्हतं ते जॉईन झालं.
Oh, yeah. Bhatia, sir and More, sir, shall we begin?
Yeah, no problem.
Yes, begin.
Okay. Over to you, Sonali.
Okay. A very good afternoon to everyone. On behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, I am Ms. Sonali Nirankari. Welcome you for the valedictory program. Respected Dr. H.N. Morris, sir, Principal, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur. Dr. M.S. Bhatia, sir, Vice Principal, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, and Chief Coordinator of this FTP. Our eminent speakers and all the participants for the Atal sponsored 5 days faculty development program. Now I request Dr. H.N. Morris, sir, Principal, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, to speak few words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sonali. And good afternoon to everyone, dear participants, uh, respected dignitaries, the Chief Coordinator of EFD, Dr. M.S. Bhatia, and the guest for today's validity function, Honorable Dr. Mrs. Vandana Patrawal Madam, and all dear delegates. I take this opportunity to thank all the resource persons for their very insightful deliberations, and at the same time I also thank and congratulate all the participants for successful completion of 5 days online faculty development program sponsored by AICT's Training and Learning Academy and conducted by Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur. And I hope all of you have enjoyed all the sessions. We have started with our first session on 2nd November with Dr. Prashant Murumkar, and we have ended with the stalwarts from the field, that is Mr. Dr. Sachin Mukhopadhyay, IITN, and from ICT, Dr. Mrs. Vandana Patrawale, Madam. And at the same time, we have also a very good session of Mr. Sachin Jagtap on music therapy with fluids. So really, I hope all the participants have enjoyed with all these sessions. Once again, I thank you all for all the resource persons for their contributions and deliberations, and for the delegates for making this event successful. Thank you. Over to Sonali.
Thank you so much, sir, for your concern and the valuable time. Now I request Dr. M.S. Bhatia, sir, Chief Coordinator of this FDP, to give valedictory note. Over to you, sir.
Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A very good afternoon to one and all. After 14 sessions of artificial intelligence related technical presentations and one each of music therapy and Sahaja Yoga meditation for stress management and emotional wellness, I hope we have done justice to our role in the AICTE initiatives for development of faculty through the Atal Academy, and you all had a fulfilling experience. We would love to have your feedbacks on whether we really have generated and kindled interest among young pharmacists and engineers about this domain of artificial intelligence and its applications in pharmaceutical sciences, to be specific. On behalf of my team at BVCPK, I also thank you all for bearing with us whenever we had a few but some technical and connectivity glitches in the program. To begin with, our session began on 2nd of November with a central inaugural function conducted by Atal Academy, in which 39 EFDPs were inaugurated together. And then we began our technical sessions. Dr. Prashant Murumkar, with his talk on demystifying the role of artificial intelligence in drug discovery, had a spellbounding influence on the session. He began with the first medicine that was discovered completely through artificial intelligence, that was DSP 1181 that he talked about. He talked about many issues related to AI-based predictions of feasibility of synthetic route, pharmacology, desirable, undesirable, and ADMET properties, hits, leads, finally leading to a drug, product composition and development, how we prediction of all these products, prediction of repurposing of drugs, and finally he ended with role of startups in exploring new chemical entities for drug development. At the conclusion of this first presentation of the first day, we had Dr. Kundaningay to share his experiences, great experiences, and his views on predictive drug pharmacokinetics, applications in modern day drug discovery. He gave an elaborate analysis of all artificial intelligence based tools in modeling of all processes in pharmacokinetic studies. That was followed by Dr. Bhausaheb Patil, who is presently based in London. With his wholesome international experiences in clinical research, he talked about applications of artificial intelligence and machine learning in clinical research. His detailing of the artificial intelligence based product, GCP Compass, engrossed all of us. Artificial intelligence applications in clinical studies, healthcare, 3D printing, and everything related to clinical research was discussed. Then the second day began with the basics of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And we had Dr. Pooja Jain addressing these issues, who gave us a comprehensive view of all the basics related to this domain and all possible applications in variety of fields related to drug development and pharmacy. Her presentation was followed by Dr. Santosh Patil's presentation, who could not give us adequate time for interactions. on structure property relationship analysis due to some current pandemic related issues at his workplace. Dr. Subarna Roy, after that, with his rich experience, gave us a detailed account of herbal informatics in drug development. Dr. Ajay Pillai followed in his soft-spoken style, exemplary in addressing his perceptions on artificial intelligence in drug research. Then on the third day, the third day began with Dr. Ajay Pillai's soft-spoken presentation on artificial intelligence in drug research, which was followed by Dr. Ganesh V, who was very precise when he spoke of data mining and analysis for drug development in the process of his interactive session on freewares for drug development and analysis. He was followed by Dr. Sami Mukhopadhyay in his briefings on fundamental aspects of bioinformatics and structural biology and its applications. He was so passionate about his connect with the audience throughout his presentation that we never thought that this component of structural biology and bioinformatics could be made so interesting. Then that was followed by Dr. Anil Deshpande yesterday, with very specific, who was very specific in detailing all his experiences with industrial drug discovery protocols in his talk on optimization of pharmacokinetic properties in preclinical discovery. This was followed by Dr. Raghuveer R. Pisurlenkar, true to his style of academic research, gave us a brief review of basic concepts essential for exploring artificial intelligence and pharmacokinetics with enhancing perfection in mind. I need not say anything about Mr. Sachin Jagtap, who kept us spellbound with melodious flute play and his music therapy for relieving stress. And then we began our today's session with Dr. Subhash Ajwani, one of the protagonists in artificial intelligence applications in pharma research. With his vast interdisciplinary industrial exposure, gave us a fulfilling session to make data science enabled pharmacometrics very simple. It would not be fair on my part to miss out on Dr. Vinod Gaikwad, who filled the time gap that was left by Dr. Santosh Patil due to some pandemic issues at his workplace. Dr. Vinod Gaikwad gave us a thorough exploration of the application of quantitative structure property relationship to pharmaceutical and product development issues. The concluding session today, that was Dr. Vandana Patrave, a jewel in the crown of a series of presentations, concluded our technical session with the perfect note on computational pharmaceutics role in drug targeting. Her contemporary explorations with so many case studies on her industrial projects should serve as a big motivation to all of us. Finally, at the end of the 5th day, the Sahaj Yoga meditation conducted by Mr. Chandrakant Devda and Sarthak Vats gave a soothing finish to this outcome inspiring turbulence of thought processes generated by expert speakers over the last 5 days. My valedictory speech cannot end without mention of Rajnikant and Manikiran, such enthusiastic learners. Hope all have had an inspiring, fulfilling, and calming experience at the end. Thank you once again for making this faculty development program of Atal Academy a perfect finish. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the complete flashback of the Atal-sponsored 5 days EFDP. I hope everyone is benefited from this FDP in one or the other way. Now, I request the participants, if they are interested to give the feedback, they can raise their hands.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon to everyone. Myself, Dr. Indrani Raut, working as assistant professor in Rajaram Bapu College of Pharmacy, Kasegaon. I would like to thank Bharati Vidyapit College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, for organizing such a 5 days EFDP under AICT Training and Learning Academy on exploring pharmacokinetics with artificial intelligence and quantum computing. This workshop started from 2nd November to 6th November. All the sessions were fruitful and all the sessions were excellent. We get the lots of knowledge because the whatever artificial intelligence, this is a newer topic, and in this FDP, we all the sessions gave the fruitful, informative knowledge to us, like the artificial intelligence, then machine learning, and the whatever today's session, that is the computational pharmaceutics role in drug targeting, and yesterday's session, that is the music therapy. Okay, to reduce the stress relieving. So all the sessions gave a lot of knowledge, and that knowledge definitely we will utilize in our institute also, and it will be beneficial to our students. Once again, I am very much thankful to Dr. H.N. More sir, Dr. M.S. Bhatia sir, Dr. Neela Bhatia ma'am, and also the other organizing committee members of Bharati Vidyapit College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, for organizing such a successful Atal FDP. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, Indrayani ma'am. Yeah, Rajni sir wants to speak. Yes, sir. We would like to hear you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for giving me this opportunity. I would like to express my views on the feedback of EFDP, which is held under the tenure of Atal. It was really a great experience for all the faculty members who belong to various disciplines of pharmacy. Especially the area chosen was very novel, madam. Really, on behalf of all the faculty, we really appreciate Bharati Vidyapit College of Pharmacy for choosing such a novel topic, which is going to be a very much thrust area in the future, definitely. And as a pharmacist, we may not have this curriculum of artificial intelligence that is prescribed by the Pharmacy Council of India, but still as a researchers, because faculty do involve in research, right? As a researchers, definitely such kind of faculty development programs will be a very useful tool, madam. That is my feedback. And coming to the program was well organized. All the sessions were wonderful. We cannot even put a dot mark on any paper like the session didn't go well elsewhere. That is a wonderful aspect of this EFDP I observed. And the most important thing I appreciate in the FDP is the timing sense, madam. Really, the timing, I know I have organized many programs in my college. I know how difficult it is to coordinate with everyone. In this regard, really I appreciate the efforts of Dr. Neela madam. I am not saying this to exaggerate the things. This is the reality I observed in the past 5 days. So really the timing sense, the coordinating the people, and most importantly, the most important part of the FDP is when any participant put a query, either in the WhatsApp or during the session, or they raise hand, want to ask something, really even it may be 5 or 10 minutes or 15 minutes excess also, really you involved all the faculty members in the discussion. That is the most important thing I liked this FDP, madam. and all the topics were excellent. All the presenters were having adequate knowledge. They have a good subject knowledge, not only in academics as well as research. So really, we are very happy, and we are very fortunate to share this platform with all the eminent such resource people. So I thank the committee who have coordinated the event, especially Dr. Bhatia Madam, and I could find Dr. Mahuli also, Mr. Mahuli sir, Mr. Patil sir, Dr. Chaudhary sir, Mr. Harale sir, and Dr. Mr. Mali sir. Especially, really, he has helped out in the registration aspect. I especially thank Mali sir and the co-coordinator of this FDP, VT Pawar sir, chief coordinator MS Bhatia sir, and all these won't be possible with a dynamic leadership. So I really appreciate the dynamic leadership of Dr. H.N. Moore sir, who is a principal of Bharati Vidyapith College of Pharmacy. Thank you very much, sir, for giving us all a very good opportunity to participate in this faculty development program. I thank all the participants. I hope definitely they would have taken the message and they will communicate this to their fellow colleagues as well as the students. So definitely it's a very wonderful session, and the most enjoyable session was the musical session, the mind stress relieving thing. Really, I hope everyone has enjoyed that session, sir. So thank you all. I am looking forward to participate in such FDP programs in future too. Thank you, madam.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you,
your
Rajnikant, sir.
encouraging words.
Thank you, Bhatia sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
This will boost our morale and the morale of the whole team to work even better in future. So thank you so
Sure,
much,
ma'am.
sir.
Sure, madam.
Yeah. Any other participant who wish to communicate about this FDP? Want to express?
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Manikiran sir.
Hello.
Actually, somebody is speaking. Let them speak, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So shall I call someone else, sir?
No.
Good
actually,
afternoon,
somebody...
all delegates.
Okay. Okay. No, it's okay, sir. Manikiran sir, you can continue, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, madam. I have a special relationship with BB Corp. Mostly, I was so excited because I have never dreamt that I'm going to do an EFDP, and that too continuously from morning to evening. One of the best and the most good thing is about we have been not drained. You know, like ma'am, at the end of the day, when you are giving questions, we still felt like a student, and we were like about 3 to 4 people, like we were like encouraging a kind of a sporty spirit, and the questions that were framed were really one thing that has really caught my attention was like deep neural network or deep neutral network or deep neuronal networks. That particular part is really, see, it's not like attending, but there is something that we have took home. It was my dream, like I want to do an I want to do an MPharm in BV Corp, but somehow I did in Andhra University. That's a different story. But my wish was fulfilled, and the kind of support, the kind of a program, every email was so perfectly being planned. Just like my colleague, Mr. Rajnikant has said, actually we were colleague in the past college. Now I moved to the other college. It was like, it was really an immense pleasure for participating. And mostly I have enrolled for this program because in MPharm we are having this computer-aided drug design. There were no resources right now because nobody was so well acquainted. PC has kept that. But this one FDP program has nearly nourished us like anything. Tomorrow we can be so confident when we go in front of the student that we can also tell some of the open sources softwares that which we came to know from this what you say, like from this FDP was really appreciating. And the kind of questions that you are allowing for the participant to interact, I think this would not be possible if it is in a, what you can say, like it's what is offline. I can really understand that. Just because it is an online program, there was a mutual connection. Like I think like I'm talking with you like sitting on the other side of a coffee table. That really appreciate my heart. Today I was see, actually I was 1 hour I was not login because I was got some invigilation that I have to go through, and immediately I came and logged in. So that means this is the energy, this is the curiosity, drive, whatever you may call it as. I really love BV Corp for giving this great memorable session. Not only memorable session, education, information, entertainment as well. It was a comprehensive fruit, or you can say sweet, that we are taking. But at last I'm feeling so bad, like bad in sense like I'm feeling that we are living or maybe we are getting aparted. But soon you also conduct the other program. We are always there to be associated with you. Thank you for giving this opportunity, Neera Madam, and to all the dignitaries who have been in this task. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. It really feels good to hear from the participant side. So this will definitely be a booster for all of us. Thanks a lot for your words, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, one and all.
Yeah. Okay, the next participant is Vinayak Marulkar, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, all the delegates and dignitaries. Myself, Vinayak Marulkar from Arvind Gauji College of Pharmacy, Satara. I express thanks to Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy for arranging such an wonderful sessions under Atal, AICT's Atal Academy, and giving or focusing on exploring pharmacokinetics with artificial intelligence and quantum computing. I am very much thankful to Principal Dr. H.N. More sir for giving us an opportunity. I must thank Dr. M.S. Bhatia sir, Vice Principal and Chief Coordinator of this event, Dr. Mrs. N.M. Bhatia Madam, Coordinator of this event, for organizing such a wonderful session. A special thank to Bhatia sir for arranging all the topics in such a sequence that really whatever the objective that was set behind carrying out this particular FDP, at the end I can say that this is fulfilled. The topic was such a thirst area of today's era that has potential really to improve a large incremental value and in and around for all the sectors, and especially to that of pharma sectors. All the topics that were arranged by all the experts in the area, really wonderful. Two sessions, especially of Mr. Sachin Jagtap sir and Chandrakant Devda sir today, that added really a flavor in this EFDP. Finally, I am thankful to all Team Bharati Vidyapeeth for organizing such a great event. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Vinayak sir, for your words of appreciation. Any other participant who wishes to express his views?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Archana Ravle. I'm a faculty of pharmacology at Parul Institute of Pharmacy. I must say that this was a really very rewarding experience for me. The 5 days were full of knowledge. I gained a lot of things from this. All the sessions were really well picked. The resource persons were really knowledgeable. Their all presentations were also interesting. The material what they presented was really very good. When I enrolled in this, it was all means when we go to Atal FDP, most of the topics are not related to pharmacy. So when I enrolled, I was really in doubt what I will get at the end of 5 days. But I means I'm lucky that I really enrolled for this FDP, and it was a very nice learning experience. The mails Deepak sir was sending was very timely. We are completing today's session, and he mail arrives that this is the tomorrow sessions, and This is the link. So everything was well coordinated. I congratulate all the people who are involved in this. Thank you very much for the session, Madam, Sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Archana ma'am. Other participants who are coming in, Dr. Jameel Ahmed. Yes, sir, you can speak, sir. Yeah, Dr. Jameel, sir. Sir, Jameel, sir, can you hear us? I think there is some issue on the side of Dr. Jameel, sir. Meanwhile, we can take up if other participants wants to speak. Yeah, Atul Kadam, sir, you can speak, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. First of
Yeah,
all, I
good
would like to
afternoon.
congratulate Dr. H.N. More, sir, Principal, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, and Dr. M.S. Bhatia, Vice Principal and Chief Coordinator of this EFDP for successful organization of this 5-day Atelier EFDP. All sessions are really insightful, and most of the speakers has explained it with case studies. And so it become very easy to understand, even though it is a new domain, and as they show so many open air resources, so which are really useful to people like us, which are new to this area, because nowadays it is needed. And as there are so many open air resources as promoted by HRD and all these, so they share with us. And as they explain with case studies, so it become very easy to understand, even though it is a new subject. So my enormous and sincere thanks to Dr. Manish Bhatia sir and his entire team behind it, especially Dr. Bhatia madam, Professor Uday Patil, Professor Viti Pawar, Professor Mai, Professor Chaudhary, and Sneha and Sonali. They all has done a great job. So I am so impressed by collaborative nature of coordinator. They are so helpful throughout the session and help us clarifying all doubts, inquiries patiently, whatever we have shared on WhatsApp, email. So they respond immediately. They clear all our doubts and help us. So thanks for giving me opportunity to participate in such a tech fest and gain the knowledge. So I'm grateful and feel happy to be part of it. And thanks one and all. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Atul sir. It was so nice to hear from your side. Dr. Jameel sir, are you there, sir? You can speak, sir. Dr. Jameel sir, we are unable to hear you. I think there are some issues with the audio of Dr. Jameel sir. So maybe we can ask other participants to speak. If there are any other participants who wish to express, please feel free to speak, sir. Yeah, I request again to participants, those who wish to communicate or express anything on this workshop. Yeah, Dr. Amardeep. Yes, sir, you
Hello,
can speak, sir.
good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Myself, Dr. Amardeep from Laureate Institute of Pharmacy, Himachal Pradesh. I would like to thank Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy and Atal Academy AICTE for giving me an opportunity to upgrade the knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence. All the sessions were quite excellent and designed with integrated approach. So once again, I would like to thank organizing committee, Neela Bhatia madam, Manish Bhatia sir, Uday Kumar Patil sir, and all other organizing members for providing us to acquaint with the knowledge of artificial intelligence. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Amar.
Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. J.S. Mulla, Associate Professor, Shri Santakrupa College of Pharmacy, Gogaon. I would like to thank Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, for organizing this Atal EFDP and congratulate Dr. H.N. More sir, Principal, Dr. Bhatia sir, Chief Coordinator, and Bhatta Madam, and their team for conducting this 5 days faculty development program. I also thank all the speakers for presenting the content effectively. I'm sure artificial intelligence will bring along novel research perspectives. Overall, the content and conduct of this FDP was fabulous. The musical session was very informative as well as entertaining. Please keep organizing such events in the future. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Mullah sir, for your words of appreciation. Are there any other participants who wish to speak? So, can we conclude the session? So you are
Rahul Lohare.
Right. There is one more candidate. Yes, sir. Rahul Lohare. Yes, sir. You can speak, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I thanks to the Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy on behalf of Pujya Sane Guruji Vidya Prasarak Mandal, myself R.B. Lohare, I extend really hearty thanks to the vote of organizers regarding their good and well organization of this particular seminar for most of the artificial intelligence and some software which are not in our syllabus, but this particular seminar which are gives a good opportunity for learning of this such things. So a person or group such as a host or chief guest and all organizer teams, I would like to my bottom of heart thanks to the organizing team. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rahul sir. There is a request to all the participants, those who can put on their cameras so that we can click some photographs while we can see you on the screen. So it's a kind request to participants to please put on the cameras.
ஒரு இதை மட்டும் எடுங்க ஜி அந்த கேமரா எடுங்க சீக்கிரம் ஜி கரெக்டா இருக்கு மேம் just a minute ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. You can take time. Patil sir, meanwhile the participants are putting on the cameras, we can just click on some photographs, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Patil sir?
Yes, madam.
Okay, sir. So let the participants put on their cameras. I request all the organizing team also to please put on the cameras so that the whole organizing team and the participants can be captured in one shot. Morris sir.
Hello.
Morris sir, we request you to please put your camera on.
Hang झाले.
Yes, Patil sir, is it done?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. One more participant coming in. Yogesh Pore sir. You can speak, sir. Yes,
Hello.
Pore sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Madam, first of all, I would like to congratulate Principal Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Dr. H.N. More sir, Chief Coordinator, Dr. Bhatia sir, and yourself, Bhatia madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
For organizing very wonderful session of this 5 days week and very nicely conducted. all the resource persons should be appreciated for their knowledge, content, and delivery. We gained a lot of knowledge from this 5 days session related to artificial intelligence. And we are thankful very much to Bharati Vidyapeeth for giving us opportunity to participate in this program. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you so much, Yogesh Pore sir, for your words of appreciation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah. If there are any other more participants who wish to speak, can express their views. But yes, sir, can we, yeah, participants have come in. R. Venkatesh, sir. Yes, sir, you can speak, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So first of all, I would like to thank all the coordinators who began this PTP. Okay, so basically I'm a mechanical engineering. So really thanks to all the coordinators, resource persons. Okay, so new things I learned in this PTP. Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving opportunity to me.
Thank you so much, Venkatesh, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, any more participants who wish to express their views?
I think Mr. Amol Dixit.
Okay, I'm unable
Yes,
to.
sir. Good afternoon, one and all.
Yeah, Amol Dixit, sir.
First of all,
Yes,
I would
sir.
like to thank Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy for conducting such interesting seminar, that is EFDP. It was very useful and knowledgeable. I would like to thank all the eminent dignitaries and the organizer for this successful event. Thank you from Sarojini College of Pharmacy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Any other participant who wish to express? Bhatti sir, can we move to the
Yes,
conclusion?
then yes, we can move on to the conclusion now.
Yeah, over to you, Sonali.
Thank you, everyone. Now I request Mr. V.T. Pawar, sir, co-coordinator of this FTP, to give the vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sonali. Patil sir, can I share the some slide? Uday Patil sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it visible?
No,
Hello?
not yet, sir.
Not yet.
Okay, just a minute. Is it now visible?
No, sir.
No, sir, no.
Okay, I think there is technical problem. I think so. Okay, thank you.
Sir, if you
Thank
want to, you
Sonali.
can share the presentation with me. I will share it from my side. If it's possible for you.
Just a minute, madam.
Yeah, you can put it on WhatsApp. I will immediately share.
Okay.
You can put out on an email also, anywhere, whatever is convenient. email or
Yes,
WhatsApp?
yes. Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I think, Maurice sir, we missed you out from the photograph that we clicked.
Also, we can click a photograph again.
Yeah, we can click a photograph again, sir. So, can you please put on your cameras again? I'm sorry for this inconvenience to you. Yeah, all the committee members also please put on the cameras so that we can click the photograph. Patil sir. Patil sir, can you do that?
Uday Patil sir. Am I visible now? My camera
Yes, sir,
is
you are
on, I
visible.
think.
Yes, sir.
Uday Patil sir.
Madam, I have just sent the mail. Please check whether it has been received or not.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, on
On
Gmail?
Bharti Mail.
Yeah.
Bharti Mail,
Bharti
okay.
Vidyapit Mail.
Yeah. Have you taken the snap?
Just a minute, sir, I'll confirm. पाटील सर फोटो घेतला का घेतला माऊली सर घेतला का yes sir the photograph is clicked sir it's done sir
Okay, continue.
yeah yes sir just give me 2 minutes sir
Madam, you have got the mail?
yeah I'm just checking it sir
Hello.
yes sir no I'm unable to download it sir
It's okay, madam. I just do the vote of thanks.
I think yeah I think you continue meanwhile if I'm able to do that I'll display the slides
Yes, of course. Thank you, madam.
yes yeah
Good afternoon to all. It's rightly said, gratitude is the best attitude. It's an honor and pleasure to conclude our valedictory function of AICT Training and Learning, Atal Academy sponsored 5 days faculty development program on exploring pharmacokinetic with artificial intelligence and quantum computing, with the vote of thanks to all those who have contributed for successful arrangement of this program. On behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur, myself, Mr. V.T. Pawar, co-coordinator, express our sincere thanks to AICT Atal Academy for sponsoring this 5 days EFDP on exploring pharmacokinetics with artificial intelligence and quantum computing. We are thankful to our mentor, Honorable Dr. Vishwajit Kadam sir, Secretary, Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, and Ministry, Cooperation, Agriculture Department, Social Justice, Food, Civil Supplies and Protection, Minorities Development, and ANCAP, Marathi Language, Minister of Maharashtra State. Another Honorable Dr. Shivajirao Kadam sir, Pro-Chancellor, Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, Dr. H.M. Kadam, Regional Director, Sangli Region, Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, for their continuous support and motivation. It is the matter of immense pride for me to convey my gratitude to our beloved Principal, Honorable Dr. H.N. More sir, and Vice Principal and Chief Coordinator of this program, Dr. M.S. Bhatia sir, for providing the direction and guidance for our work. We are also thankful to all eminent speakers who have spared their valuable time in spite of their busy working schedule. Teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success. Thank you very much to all the organizing committee members of this EFDP program for your nice effort for success of this program, and all the reporters of different media for wonderful coverage of this event. Last but not the least, we are thankful for all the participants for their active participation, without whom conduction of this program was not possible. Once again, we are thankful to all those who have contributing directly or indirectly for successful conduction of this program. Thank you very much. Over to Sonali.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, V.T. Pawar, sir. So with this, we finish with our this 5 days EFDP program. I again thank all the participants on behalf of our Bharati Vidyapeeth team for your active participation, and we definitely will miss, although we all met virtually, but we will miss all of you. Let us hope that in future we will meet soon. Thank you all the participants.
Thank you all of you for successful completion of this workshop.
Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
You can